Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back for another video. So I know I've been posting lately, but I got something new. I got myself an advanced Christmas spread. So if you're brand new, please subscribe. Also leave a like. So let's get started. Look at this, guys. So I ordered this on Lazada and I saw the reviews and it was actually quite good. So I got myself a new gaming keyboard. I have wished for this for a long time and Santa Claus gave it to me. Thank you, Santa. Oh, he just thumbs up me. That's nice. Okay guys, so let's open the box. So I ordered the white keyboard of this. So here, wait, let me just show you guys. So we have the orange, the black all colored, and this is what I got, the white version of the keyboard. So I know I haven't been posting lately since, you know, school has started and everything. Ooh! Look at this. And this is also for computer because it is just wired. It's like USB type. This is amazing. Look at this mouse. I always have dream for a mouse to be like this. Don't worry guys, I sanitize, so I'm COVID-19 safe. Ooh, juicy. Why did I say juicy? That's just weird. Okay, so let's review the keyboard first. Let's take off the plastic. I'm sorry if I still don't know how to review, but ooh, this is spicy. I think this is LED. I haven't tested out the lights yet, but I will test it out in a second. Oops. Ooh, the screw is actually. Oh, you hear that? Okay, let me just click the other one. Okay, just make sure it's working. Ooh, this is really good. So I'm gonna test this out and see how it actually looks like when it's plugged. So see you guys later. I accidentally pressed something, but it actually lit up. I don't know how, but what?
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Look at this. I'm sorry, this is my first impression and this is my first gaming keyboard. The mouse is all colored LED. I only checked this out. It said it's only pink, but it's all colored. Look at this. Wow, that's nice. That's a nice grip. Ah, I actually like this keyboard and mouse. It's working functionally. And what do you call this again?
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
I forgot what it's called. But no, I can't say it. I actually forgot what you call this. Please don't type this in the comments, but this doesn't make that much noise. If I do an ASMR, if I might do an literally.
Have you ever had a dream that
I literally can't say anything right now, but if I do an ASMR, it won't do that much noise. But look at this pure design. It's not that loud. But anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today. I can't show you guys how it looks like because my recording system is broken in my laptop. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe because I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.